Boom! So today we're going down to Camden Rotisserie. Haven't heard much about this place. We actually got invited down here, so free food, baby. We're gonna go in there. See, they do like sort of like the noise on this street is mental. They do like sort of Nando's style chicken and stuff like that. We're gonna go in. We're gonna try get some behind the scenes shots and stuff like that. Yeah, we'll let you know. Try talk to some people, see how long it's been there and stuff like that. And as always, even though it's free, the review will be 100% honest. So stick with us, folks. We're gonna go across the road now. Right, so we're down here now. Just arrived. Having a look at the menu here. So some of the prices we've got wraps are like 9. Hoping you can hear them. Got the mics ordered, by the way, folks. Mics should be here by the weekend. Bit disappointed not here at the moment, right? So, €9 for some wraps here. Got some spicy nachos, $9.95. Full chicken is $19.95. I think we're gonna get that between us, aren't we?
Yes, hope so.
I'm hoping for big things. There's a thing we're going to show you in the back. There's a thing of like chickens that are rotating. So
it does look good, yeah.
And we're going to talk to one of the part owners about how long they've been here, you know, all that sort of good stuff. Expecting big things of this one. I've got a pint of Guinness on the way. So check back in with us when we go backstage. Right, we're down with Stuart here, part owner of the place. How long have you been open? Give us a bit of information about this place.
So myself and the brother, we set the place up 11 years ago now at this stage. So
it's been here for 11 years.
11 years. They're going to our 11th year.
A one-off place, or is there?
Yeah, like with the one-off. Yeah, we looked at opening another business here, but same, just one day.
Right, and where did the idea come from to start this place?
At the time, I was living in the UK, the brother was living in New York, it was kind of a recession in Ireland, and two of us came back to Dublin and we're looking for things to do, and the unit came up here in Camden Street, and that was it. We said we'd give it a go, we had the idea, the concept, and
what's the most popular things people order in here?
well, look, we're a rotisserie. Is what we are.
Is it so? I sort of gave the impression that it's like Nando's. Is that just sort of vibe?
Do you know what? Like, we're a rotisserie, but our most popular items probably be chicken wings, buffalo chicken wings.
Chicken wings,
maybe
yeah.
the most popular. Yeah.
Go.
Sell a lot of chicken tenders.
We saw We saw boneless chicken wings and chicken tenders. What is the difference between them?
Do you know what? They're very similar. Exactly, they're very similar. Everyone asks the same question. So basically, the chicken tenders are boneless wings are chicken tenders tossed themselves.
Okay,
so that's essential.
Yeah.
And we're gonna come back and have a little look behind. And
Yeah, of course. Yeah, absolutely.
So
Yeah.
What do you fancy ordering? Or what do you think?
So we'll try the chicken wings, yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
Of course, yeah.
Definitely want to try the chicken, the rotisserie chicken. Name the place, you know. I want to try that.
Absolutely, yeah.
What are your hours? Go on.
Sorry, does it come with a few sauces with the rotisserie chicken?
The chicken, you get to choose the sauce.
Yeah,
You can choose
right.
barbecue, buffalo, gravy.
The prices look great. I'm going to put them in the video as well. The prices look very good. For Camden Street as well.
Yeah.
It was nerve-wracking. We done an intro over the other side of the crowd. People walking past.
Such a busy
Oh my
spot,
God.
Yeah.
So cheers.
Okay, great, yeah.
The old Guinness in, of course. Head's a bit small.
Ah, look, you let it sit there for a while, so.
I cannot split the cheek. What a terrible attempt, folks. I'm trying to split the cheek. I always do too little. Forecast it. Chicken, have it more or less ready to go.
Yeah.
Right? And then just keep it going as we fit. But we normally do that, right? We cut the chicken into quarters. So cut that leg off. Okay. That's the way we do that. And we finish it on the grill. Marquee potatoes.
Yeah.
Best quality French potato we chip ourselves.
Delish.
That's it. Get that down there. We've got some of the food here. I think these are a few of the starters.
Just gonna have a little pan on them.
Yeah.
They
What do
look
we-
fantastic.
These are the chicken tenders, yeah?
Yeah. Loaded fries, boneless wings.
I'll taste it without first.
Yeah. Fresh. We saw them make them fresh in the kitchen, so they're probably quite juicy.
They're lovely.
Yeah. What's the sauce? Barbecue?
I think it's barbecue, yeah?
Yeah.
Very good. They're tremendous.
This is.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Try
What, are
it.
these actual chicken wings? Or
Boneless wings, I assume.
the good old boneless wings? They're spicy. They smell
Yeah.
spicy as.
Buffalo sauce, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good.
I wouldn't be as big of a fan of them, but they're good. Let me try the loaded fries.
Bacon, cheese, garlic.
Bacon, cheese, garlic. How much? I'll try to give you a price now of this stuff.
I already tried them. They're lovely.
Banging.
Yeah.
Are they?
Yeah.
They're banging. Okay, so chicken tenders. That's them. $9.50. See, the owner is giving us like smaller portions, I believe, because we're getting loads of stuff. They are banging, and I think you get a few more of them than what's on the plate. I wouldn't be as big a fan of them, but they're pretty good as well. The chicken's proper fresh. and
Very
moist.
hungry here looking at them.
Sorry, mate, sorry. Them chips are class. Let me get into the full chicken here before.
This is what they're known for, so I think.
This guy behind the camera here, the man's mouth is salivating here as I'm just eating all the way.
Try a bit of the skin as well. You have
Bit of
to.
skin on there.
Yeah. That's the number, is it?
That is banging.
Good.
It's nice and salty, guys. Has been seasoned. Banging. Got a burger. Oh no! Oh my god. Got a burger from there as well. These are Cajun wings.
Yeah, Cajun wings.
Are you drumstick or what's the two names of the drumstick and the?
I don't know what the other one is. I'm more drumstick. No, it's not. Wing. Anyway.
Flatter drumstick.
Yeah, basically.
Get down in the comments.
I'm
let us know.
drumstick. You could have said something.
They're not my favourite wings.
Oh, maybe it's the sauce, is it?
I'm not sure. This stuff is banging. Not bad now. I give them like a maybe in the sixes. I'm a wing connoisseur though. This is
What
the
is it?
Louisiana burger. Staple of any burger for me has to be filling the bun. This is coming out with the size of
It does look great, yeah.
Has
What's inside it?
mayonnaise, about 1,000 jalapenos,
Cool.
and that's definitely gonna be spicy.
Bit
isn't
of a
it?
kick to it, yeah.
Bit of lettuce on there underneath the mayonnaise. I'm so stuffed.
Nice, yeah.
It's very good. That's $10.95. So meal in here, we're trying to discuss them what are the loaded fries?
I don't know. We'll have to check at the end, I'm not sure.
Check the arm. That's banging. That's nice. Boom, tradition for the cameraman to get involved. I want to see who eat a bit of absolutely everything on that plate. Sorry guys, this is difficult to film. Get the burger in. I'll get the burger in. That thing's an absolute whopper by itself. Yeah, solid. So we've made a dent in all of this. I don't think I got the gravy in. The gravy's incredible. Incredible gravy. So I think this is a hidden gem without decided. Not expensive at all. This food is fucking quality. If you watch the videos, if you watch a lot of the videos, you know that we don't give biased opinions, right? So don't be getting down in the comments telling me that this is biased, because it's not. It's very good. We're gonna wait till we're outside to give the score. So join us then.
Come on, man.
So, right, brownie. We're about like stuffed to the gills.
10,000 calories.
We get a brownie. €6.95 for one of these. Let's get into it. I'm a brownie connoisseur.
You're a connoisseur of everything.
Oh, I love a good old brownie. Connoisseur of everything.
It's warm, I presume, is it?
No, it's freezing cold, mate. Very chocolatey.
I mean, it's a chocolate brownie, is it?
It's good. It's good. It's not one of my favourite brownies, but it's good. Okay, so we are doing in there. Lovely fella, him and his brother own the business. Local. Just one off. So $9.50 for the boneless wings, $9.50 for the tenders. I'm trying to remember all the prices there. $7.95 for the loaded fries with bacon. But we discussed and we agreed that probably don't get the bacon, just get loaded fries with cheese and garlic, $6.50. The half chickens, $9.95.
We can always add a video of the menu.
Brownie $6.95. Nah, because that's a lot of work, mate, adding that shit on. The Guinness was $5.95, so it's good value. And honestly,
Yeah, I think it's good value.
we are stuffed, and we're coming out here feeling not bloated at all. Like it's
No, because it's
good,
fresh food, you feel good from it, I think.
proper fresh, good
Yeah.
quality food. We're gonna go back. We'll definitely be back to that place. And is it worth it? Is basically a satisfaction scale as to whether we'll actually go back and whether it's worth it. That's definitely worth it. So on the is it worth it scale, we're giving that one an 8.4 out of 10. If you go down there, we'd ask if you could tag us in it to let us know that we've sent you. And would you please subscribe if you watch the videos? It helps a lot. Like, comment, and follow if you're watching on TikTok. Cheers, guys. We'll see you next time.